Here are 5 computer tips you need to know. Here are a list of files. These are resumes. Now I want this one to show up on top. So I'm going to click on it to rename it and then go to the beginning of it and put an exclamation mark there. And now hit enter. And if I refresh, this one will always show up on top. In a File Explorer window, if you're seeing your files in a list like this and you can't see extensions, so here's Rufus, for example. I have no clue what kind of file type this is. I can maybe tell a little bit by that little gear icon there, but no clue otherwise what kind of file it is. So let's go up here to the 3-dot menu, go down to Options at the bottom, and go to View, and then uncheck Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Now after you hit Apply, you'll see the file extensions there. And you might have noticed that my files here are kind of grouped by today, last week, earlier this month. If not already showing on your computer, you can easily get this by just right-clicking anywhere in an empty space and going to Group By, and then Date Modified. And if you want to add things to this list, you can go to More down here and simply check whatever you want to add. Say I want to add the number. Now I can go back to Group By and I can see number in here. I'm assuming if you have these numbered, it would sort them by number, but they are not numbered, so this is kind of ineffective here. For number 4, we're still in the same File Explorer downloads page here. If you right-click on something in Windows 11, you have to hit More Options to see the full menu. Now that's very annoying. Easy way to immediately see the full menu of options is to hit Shift and then right-click. It gives you a full menu of options and often also gives you more options than just right-clicking. And for the last one, here's an easy way to extract text from an image. So I'm gonna just use the snipping tool, grab a screenshot of some of my desktop icons. Now I simply open that image. Now you can do this with any image, doesn't have to be a screenshot. And then if you go up here to the text tool and click on that, it'll analyze the image. Now all the text is selectable, so you can go over, highlight it all, and then hit Control C to copy it. Now if we were to go into Notepad and hit paste, there is the text. If you learned something out of this video, consider watching this one here on 5 settings you need to know.